So we got here the first ever, they call it the 8K 360 drone that is named Antigravity A1. This is the first, guys, in the world right now, and we are so blessed to have the very first unit right now in our hands in the Philippines. Shout out to Insta360. And yes, tama na rin mo, guys. Antigravity is actually a product of Insta360, yung 8K 360 camera, guys, na usong-uso at nagsimula rin po ng 360 camera right now din also sa buong mundo. So once again, I'm James Afante, also known as Kuya James, and now James 3.0. So tara, unbox natin tong anti-gravity drone na to. Let's go! So actually, guys, may mga kasama pala itong mga ibang mga bagay, guys, which is meron siya kasamang replaceable kit lens, as you can see here. Well, technically, guys, yung Insta360 X5 is replaceable yung lens, so in-apply na rin nila dito. And they also sent another light battery, which is very, very interesting. You know, drones, mabilis talaga sila malobat. The more battery you have, the better and more enjoyable experience you will have. And we have here the landing pad. I'm not so sure on how, like, intense natin kailangan gamitin to, but we will see, guys, kung gaano kaganda to. And just to tell you guys, no, so did you know that Kuya James is a licensed drone pilot? Yes po, licensed drone pilot po tayo. And we were working with ABS-CBN and GMA way back then, no? So kaya super familiar po talaga ako sa mga drones. And nung narinig kong meron na pong first ever 360 drone, well, I think this will be a game changer kasi one of the hardest things po talaga na pinaka na-experience na isang drone pilot talaga is yung mag-maneuver. Like papaikuto ba yung mga drone, something gato ganyan. And with this drone, hindi mo na kailangan gawin yun. Position mo lang yung drone mo somewhere down the road and you can frame it later just the way you do. So right from the box, we have here the drone, the goggles, the motion controller, the carry case, a charging hub, a sling bag. Oh, this is nice. Parang katulad nung kalaban nila. Very, very similar. A high capacity flight battery times 3. So we have a total of 4 including this one. Goggles battery as well. A battery lanyard, which I believe baka yung goggles na ito, yung battery niya is nakasuot dito so para hindi mo na siya kailangan ilagay sa bulsa. And we also have a USB cable, power cable, lens caps, and propellers, screwdrivers, quick guide, and manuals. Without further ado, let's unbox this one. Let's go. So, ayokong i-unbox sa harap kasi para hindi siya masira. So, this is, by the way, the Infinity Bundle, ha. I believe there's multiple bundles. There's starter bundles, but this is the most, like, complete set that we can get. So, tara, unbox natin siya. This is my first ever 360 drone. I've been operating a lot of, like, the competitors' drone, no? I don't know kung pwede ko siya i-mention here because they sent us this for, you know, like, for free. And we got here the bag. Oh, very, 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 very similar yung kulay, ha. Lakas yung velcro niya, bro, ha? Okay. Okay. Dito ko yung amoy. So, we got here first the goggles. Damn, this is so interesting. Guys, just to tell you, this goggles is very, very interesting. This is actually one of the first of its kind because dito po sa isang screen nito, either left or right, actually is an LED screen which basically nakikita din po ng kaharap mo. Like for example, ikaw, kung ano yung nakikita ko sa loob. So habang nakaganon ako, nakikita mo rin kung ano yung nakikita ko, which is very, very interesting and very, very cool at the same time. We also have the remote. The remote is different also, no, from other remotes that you have experienced or we have experienced in the past. Before yung remote, ganun-ganun ginagawa namin, but right now, bang-bang na lang siya, guys. Grabe, like, look at that remote, guys. Grabe. Napakaganda talaga. Like, wow. First time me appreciating it like this close. Kasi I've been attending a lot of events actually for Insta360 Antigravity A1, but I never had a chance to actually really feel the product because ang dami talaga mga tao interested sa product na to. Next, we have, I believe, the battery. Okay. Wow, the battery is different, ha? I believe this is the goggles battery. Kasi may sabitan siya here. And yeah, it's a different battery compared dito. So the charging case only has a capacity for 2 batteries. So this has 3 batteries, which I believe yung isa nakasalpak sa drone. And this has an LED screen, which basically can check the, you know, the status of your charging.
A few moments later.
Ah, gagi, ano siya? Meron pang slot sa likod. So triple battery siya, guys. Sorry, natao lang, nagkakamera din naman. Yun lang. Peace out. Let's remove the rest. Let's go to the drone itself. Oh my goodness. Ang liit niya. I didn't expect it to be this small, ha. Before that, wait lang. Buksan ko na muna tong isang battery din. Okay. Drone itself. Here, and the battery. Another battery. So, okay, we got total of 4 batteries. So, sobrang saya nito. Like, pag pinalipad ko talaga to, anlilipad talaga to. So, we have the replacement kits. As you can see here, this is the box itself. Check it out. Ang galing lang kasi naisipan nila to, and this is actually very consistent guys sa ginagawa guys ng Insta compared sa kanilang competitors na replaceable yung lens nila, and they also provided bro, kailangan natin to, bro. So, sa mga di ba nakakaalam guys kung para saan to, basically, this is a dust, diba? Dust remover. Dust remover. So, gaganon-ganon mo siya. Hindi to pang BP guys, ha? Dust remover to. So, para matanggal yung dust bago mo palit yung lens. And, napakaganda ng itsura niya guys. So, probably I'll find the hard case for this one. Oh! Ito siya guys. Nakalagay lang siya dito sa loob. Damn. That's first experience, okay? And we have here, ito yung pangtanggal naman ng lens. So, meron siyang, kita doon, lock and unlock. I believe ita-twist mo siya para makuha mo yung lens mo. So, very, very interesting. Lagay muna natin siya dito sa gilid. Para mas interesting yung landing pad, ilalagay ko dito sa baba. So, sa mga di ba nakakalam kung para saan to, actually, very, very important tong landing pad na to. Specifically sa mga, let's say, for example, papalibad ka sa mga beach. So, alam naman natin may mga motors, yung mga drones. So, para hindi maapektuhan yung motor, para hindi siya malagyan ng sand, importante po talaga yung mga landing gears or landing pad katulad na ito. But if you already know how to catch a drone, which katulad po namin mga licensed drone pilots, kailangan po talaga namin matutunan yun. Hindi na po namin kailangan ng mga ganito, but for beginners, like most of you guys, definitely you will need something like this. Sige, so this is again the handle. This is the mga kasama pa siya mga ganito na okay, wow. Malalaman naman natin kung paano gamitin. Meron siyang meron siyang takip for protecting yung that's so cool, man. Nagagalaw-galaw yung knobs para ma-adjust kung paano yung peripheral vision na kailangan ninyo. But let's put it on the side again, and here we are on the drone itself. So guys, just to tell you, this is an unboxing pa lang so gagawa tayo ng separate video for the full experience na ito kasi guys, very, very interesting talaga to. And I need to have a separate trip for this one just to experience and test this out compared sa mga cellphone vlogs na ginagawa natin dito na kaya ko siyang gawin here sa studio. This one, we really need to go out. And guys, sobrang liit lang talaga niya. Like, I believe when you operate this, you don't need a license because why? This is, I believe, below 250 or at exactly 249 grams, including all the like technology pieces that is involved inside. And this is the drone itself. Grabe, liit lang niya. Gimbal niya is this one. It's a multi-axis, 3-axis or 4-axis gimbal, I believe. Technically, parang naka-detach yung, I don't know kung nakikita ninyo, parang naka-detach yung camera niya guys sa body niya. Wala silang pinakitang kailangan ng case. Usually yung ibang mga drones outside there, kailangan mo ng parang case para dun sa gimbal, and this one doesn't need that. So we have the camera here. As you can see here, this is the 360 camera, and we have the camera here on the bottom. So another 360 camera, and we have another 2 cameras here, and we have another camera here, and camera here again, and a depth sensor here, LED flash here, just so that sa mga gabi, ganyan, pag mapalipar mo siya, makikita nyo yung lalandingan niya at matrack nyo yung sarili niya. We got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cameras in total for this. And we got the third battery again here sa drone na to. And removing the battery, guys, sobrang gaan niya. So ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys. The one reason bakit kailangan nyo guys ng landing gear is nakikita nyo guys kung gaano ka-open yung mga motors na to. So as much as possible, we want to avoid putting sand inside. So pag i-take off nyo siya guys sa beach, dapat nakalagay siya dyan sa gitna. Para pag tumake off siya, anyways, so abangan nyo guys yung full review natin guys ng anti-gravity drones. Actually, today sinut ko to December 20 po. December 20 po mismo, no? December 20. 12:19 AM. And mamaya po is flight namin papuntang Tacloban. Tara, abangan nyo guys yung susunod na video. Don't forget to like, comment down below kung ano na gusto mo guys sa drone na to. Subscribe and see you on the next video. Peace out.